Good morning! Jordan and I are off for a little walk to the beach. We can't wait, right? Jordan's a little hot today. You hot, sweetie? We're gonna go to the beach and cool down? Yeah, he can't wait. He hasn't been in a stroller in a little bit. But yeah, I'm excited to get in the cold water. It's gonna feel amazing. I don't know how hot it is, but it must be one of the hottest days this summer. And I'm loving the weather. At the beach. Jordan just ate a whole thing of applesauce. Didn't you? So nice. Come here, bud. Let me wipe your face. He's so good. Look at him standing. Are we gonna go in the water? You excited to go in the water? Look at the belly. Did you just eat? You gotta keep your hat on. He's throwing it off his head. Hey, I'm too cool for a hat, Mom. It's too hot to wear a hat. Isn't it? Too hot? Hi, George. Are we at the beach?
You are not.
Are we at the beach?
You're dripping is what you are. I'm going to wash my hands off. What are you doing?
Ooh. Careful. Over here. Me and Jordan are at Brookside Beach, having so much fun. It's so nice out. He just wants to attack everyone in the sandcastles, though. Come over here, buddy. He's so cute. Are we at the beach? Are you having so much fun? Oh, look! The rock. You doing a silly crawl? We're having so much fun at the beach. It's such a hot day, isn't it? It's really nice out today. I look like a travelist with this around my neck. Don't I? Jordan's just picking up sand, having a time. Not a care in the world. We both got sand toes. There he goes. He's full of sand. It's so cute. He's having so much fun. Jordan and I had so much fun in the water. We're just getting dry and he's having some little puffs that he loves. Jord. He's watching the kids over there play volleyball. He's so amused. Here, sweetheart, I have a treat. Yummy. So yeah, we're gonna go home and make dinner and I have like a load of dishes to do. And yeah. Walking back home. We gotta go up the big hill at Brookside Beach. Don't we, Jord? Anyone there? Knock, knock, knock. Jord. Hello. Hi. We had a great swim. And now we have a long walk home, but I'm glad I'm getting my exercise. We're gonna go home and make dinner. You're gonna make like a chicken. Sleeping. Are you waiting for your show? You're so cool. What's going on? Rainbow Horse? Is that your favorite show? Oh, cool. Here's your stick. It's being slow. You play in your bucket while Mommy does the dishes. What's in there? I am not a pro barbecuer and I don't know what I'm doing, but for one, my barbecue's broke. Here's my chicken that I'm trying to work on. These flip them. For some reason, I feel like it's not cooking. I don't know what is going on here. There's something going on with our barbecue. Like the heat isn't going above like 250, which is lowered again. But look, this should be at like 400. That's so annoying, but yeah, we're about to go out to Home Depot. I look ratchet with my hair does. And yeah, Jordan's upstairs playing. What a good boy. Stripey, you get neutered on Friday, so you be good. He's Kitty eating Jordan's leftovers from dinner. Yeah. I've been doing good on my videos. I've been filming every day, which is awesome. Yeah. Is it good? Jordan loves suckers at Kent. Jordan loves a sucker. You're eating it the wrong way, buddy.
Cleaning his hands.
Paul's just getting some more stuff for his bathroom right now. He seems to be changing his grout type halfway through. Yeah.
There's a difference between mortar and grout.
Okay, I guess he's not using mortar now, he's using grout. Jordan's just loving the sucker. Jordan's 9 months, almost 10. Loving his little treat. Get Chrome, please. Decisions. What decision are you gonna make? So far we got some seamless grout. It's getting late and we're just dilly-daddling over here.
You know what? Because I wanted to leave the house about an hour ago. So.
But the chicken was cooking.
No, it wasn't. I had to get
Jordan, you're eating the sucker like the wrong way.
What?
Tell them what they eat one of us.
Tell him, Jordan.
We're just driving home and we're stuck behind these slow people. They're known, aren't they?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
They drove so slow.
Guaranteed Brooksiders.
We all had a sucker. So yummy.
For any Brooksiders watching,
Yeah, if there's any Brooksiders watching.
I'll give you a map. You can find your fucking gas pedal and you kick it really hard to the floor.
What a beautiful night.
Not for me, I'm fucking trapped in a bathroom until fucking midnight.
I know, me and Jordan might go bath at my mom's. Paul's under bathroom right now. It's already 8 o'clock.
I know. I got like 8, 10 tiles to fucking lay. I'm done.
Done what, everything?
Done the bathroom.
And then you have to do the whole
And I gotta grout it.
in the front area.
Yeah, the front, but that can be done after the fact. At least if the walls are showered, tiled and grouted and stuff, then we can shower.
I'll have to show you guys the progress. Nothing really has changed since yesterday's progress.
No, I got to lay about 2 tiles.
That's it? That's all you've done?
Well, I tried to send you to town at 5:30. Never left the house till 7.
George! Oh, you guys want to see it? You taking a temper tantrum?
Someone was coming and they were slowing down to pull in.
Yeah.
Someone pulled out of here and someone was gonna go out and around. Almost fucking T-boned them. And then they swerved out and around and missed them. Then the person that was pulling out slammed their brakes on the other person, swerved around.
Oh my god, we need a dash cam to catch this stuff.
Well, he wouldn't.
What did we see the other day? I don't know. But yeah, here's Jordan taking a temper tantrum. Who's that, Snoopy? Who's that? Pardon? Where'd you get your light from?
Huh?
Where'd you get your light?
What light?
That one there.
Oh, the lamp. Oh, we put outside because we're painting.
Oh, they're painting. Let me see what color. Oh, this is nice. It's like grayish blue.
Right.
I can't see. There's no lights on.
Why?
Oh, it definitely looks a lot more modern. There's the lights. Now you need to get some black and white frame.
Having black, I hate black.
Oh, that's what goes.
Jordan, don't you nanny? Nah, say nah. Oh, yeah, what a good boy. Can you say nanny?
Nanny?
Say nanny.
Do you notice the color?
Our new chicken Caesar milk is a good example. We start with tender rotisserie
What are you
style chicken
doing?
that's raised without antibiotics.
What are you doing?
Top it with a savory Caesar
George?
salad and add melted provolone
Whee!
and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese for a flavor
Digga,
that's
digga, 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 digga.
Where's your bedroom? Is it done?
tastes like.
Who's mine?
Jordan's.
Yeah, it's all
Mom.
painted.
Coming
Sure
under
gotta be
control.
painted. That's it.
The first thing I do is always rate the fridge.
Oh, Nanny, yeah, Nanny's getting ready to go to bed. My leg was killing me today because I didn't take my legs off.
844-844-2424 or visit
Nothing good.
info.com. We were overwhelmed.
Next, you gotta do your floors. Say goodbye.
Atta boy. Say Nanny. Huh? No, Nanny.
He's saying bye.
Oh, say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
You be a good boy.
Bye. Night, Snoop. Good night, Dee. We're going home. We had a great bath in your tub. I have to go home to see Dad. Here's your toys you can play with on the drive home. I know, you hate the car. You're supposed to be in bed. It's 10 o'clock and you and Diesel are up playing ball. Traby's having her dinner. Diesel smells food. She's like, come you share. Jordan's the last one playing with the ball.